guys, welcome to Keeping It Simple Crafts. I hope everyone's having a great day. Today I have for you a fun yardstick door swag. These are so simple to make, they are inexpensive and easy, and I'll show you step by step how to make one so you don't have to have any experience making wreaths to make this yardstick door swag. For this yardstick door swag, you're going to need a yardstick, and I cut mine to 30 inches. You're going to need 3 rolls of the 10-inch mesh, and each roll has 10 yards on it, and I ordered mine online from Craft Outlet. You're going to need some pipe cleaners, some ribbon with wire for a bow. You're going to need a sign or a cute gnome doll like I found at Dollar Tree for $5. It's a 24-inch standing gnome, and you can make this for any season or holiday, and some foam scatter also from Dollar Tree for $1.25. So you're going to take all 3 rolls of your 10-inch mesh, stack one on top of the other. Try to keep your mesh in the same order throughout the entire process making your yardstick door swag, and we're just making a puff for the top, so slide your hand down and we're going to make a poof or puff for the very top of the yardstick door swag. Gather it in your hand, go to the top of your yardstick, and you're going to take a pipe cleaner, move down about 2 inches on your yardstick, wrap the pipe cleaner around your yardstick and your mesh, and give the pipe cleaner a few twists. You can wait on separating your poofs or puffs if you want to until the very end. I'm just showing you what it looks like when you spread them out. It's very pretty. So my solid red is going to stay in the middle throughout this entire process. So now I'm just sliding my hand down about 10 or 12 inches, making another puff, and then I'm going to move down on my yardstick about 5 inches, and I'm going to take a pipe cleaner, wrap it around my yardstick and my mesh, give that pipe cleaner a few twists, and this time I'm not going to separate the mesh. I'm just going to leave it just like it is until the very end. Now I'm going to move down 10 or 12 inches, gather my mesh together, make another poof or puff, then I'm going to attach it to my yardstick. So I move down about 5 or so inches on my yardstick. Now I'm just wrapping the pipe cleaner around the yardstick and the mesh, giving it a few twists, and I'm going to repeat the same process all the way down the yardstick, and when I get to the very end, I'm just going to leave a long tail. Now remember, do not cut your mesh too short because it's going to curl up. Now I'm going to separate my mesh, so the one that's on the bottom, it's going to the left side. The red that's in the center staying in the center, and the one that's on the top is going to the right side. So the one that was on bottom goes to the left, the one in the middle stays in the middle, the one on the top goes to the right. So just separate your poofs or puffs or bubbles or whatever you like to call them, and it looks so pretty when you get them all separated. And there's my little helper, Miss Willow. She likes to steal my pipe cleaners. I have to watch her. Now I'm just taking some 20 gauge floral wire and wiring the little gnome onto the wreath. So I'm just threading the wire through the mesh and then going to the back of the yardstick and going to give the wires a few twists, then cut them off short and fold them down. If you do not want to use a little gnome, a long sign would work perfect. I have lots of yardstick door swag tutorials on my YouTube channel. I even have a yardstick door swag tutorial playlist. These also make great centerpieces and garlands. In the description box below, I will link the Yardstick Door Swag Centerpiece Garland playlist for you. And I'm also doing a Summer 2023 giveaway. So if you'd like to enter that, I can link the video that has details on the giveaway so you can enter that if you would like. Next, I'm going to be tying a bow, and I usually put one at the top and one at the bottom, but for this one, I just tied a bow and put it at the bottom and left long tails. If you're enjoying this tutorial, please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, share this tutorial, and if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, I would love to have you as a subscriber. It is free to subscribe. Next, I'm going to be hot gluing on some of the foam scatter stars from Dollar Tree. I'm just adding a little bit of hot glue to the back of the star, then going to place the first one in the center of my bow. Just be very careful when you're using your hot glue. I like to use Gorilla Glue hot glue on the low temp setting, so just be very careful. So I'm just adding some stars in different spots, and then when you get finished with your pipe cleaners, I usually cut mine off shorter and fold them down, and this is the way it looks hanging on my front door. The easiest way to hang up your yardstick door swag is to just drill a hole in the top of the yardstick and thread some twine or some wire through it and hang it on your door. Today is June 20th, 2023. So you'll have to let me know what date you're watching this tutorial, and I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you'll give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and share. Thanks so much.